Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how I install these faux beams to complete my kitchen renovation. So stay tuned. I like the rustic color of it. It matches my shelves, my brick, so they're gonna be all in nice harmony. I've got two of these. I'm going to install them today. These faux beams are hollow inside, as you can see, and mine is 5.5 by 5 by, let me turn it around, hold on. It's 5.5 by 5 by 54 inches long. They are very light, easy to handle. Originally there was a wall here, so I removed it to get an open concept. So this beam is going to be the separation between two rooms. You see the wall here before the removal from the kitchen, and this is from the other side. So that's during construction, and this is when I'm done. Notice I put the beams first, then I decided to remove them and brick veneer the column just to complete the rustic look that I was after. Well, so far, if you are getting any value, please don't forget to like and consider subscribing to my channel. This is where the wall was before. That's the top plate. I left it in specifically knowing that I was going to install these beams here. So you do need some type of a nailer for these beams to be installed. In your case, maybe you won't have this, so you could just nail in 2x4s to your existing ceiling joist. By the way, I'm going to have another video on how to brick veneer, most likely next week, and also how to grout brick wall. I still have to grout this column. I also have to finish the ceiling and put some crown molding. They are all coming up in the near future. Work in progress, just bear with me. Now let's get back to our beams. You see, after brick installation, they don't fit here anymore, so I have to cut them. These are the tools I used in this project. First, you have to measure the space. Be careful and pay attention to this step. If you cut it too short, there's no going back. But it's okay if you cut it too long. You can always trim it down. I recommend to use a Sharpie type of a pen and square to draw your lines. For cutting, you can use any type of a hand saw. This is a foam material. It's very easy to cut. It's just these corners with glue. It will be a little harder to cut, but overall very easy to cut this material. As you can see, it's just easily, smoothly cuts. It's just the corners you have to be a little bit careful, and also put little pressure on the saw. That's it. Here is our cut piece. So let's install it now. So this 2x4 is supposed to go in between, in that hollow part of the beam, so I can just screw it from the sides just to secure it down. You can, manufacturer says you can glue it, but I don't want to. I want to screw it, so in case I need to remove, so it's easy, I just unscrew and then remove it. So I rather not glue it. And here I'm having little issue because of the texture on the brick is holding. Otherwise I did measure it correctly, but little bumps on this brick is not letting me install this. Okay, after a bit of hassle I did get it in. Now all I have to do is screw it in a couple of places. I don't need to do too many. It's already a very light material and it is tight in the space. But just in case I do put screws, because with contraction and expansion, the house shifts, so it may fall down. Just in case, I just don't want that accident to happen. It did happen before and broke the glass on the island, so I don't want it to happen again. Now I have to put the second beam just the way I did with the first one. Measure it, cut it, and then I'm just screwing it here and I'll be done. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Either way, let me know in the comments below. I like to know what you think. I think it looks very realistic. Looks like a log, maybe a little shiny. But log can be shiny. You can, they put polyurethane on it. So I think it's still realistic. Well, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.